Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable your Discord account using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you want to open your Discord app, I'm just going to go back here. And now, just go ahead and log in your account. And after you've done that, just go ahead and click on the user settings. It is the settings logo here at the lower part of your screen. So just go ahead and click on that. And once you've done that, here at the My Account section, you can see a account removal section, and it says that disabling your account means you can recover it at any time after taking this action. So here you have two options. You can disable account or delete account. But in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable your account. So just go ahead and click on disable account. And now Discord will ask you if you are sure about your action. So this will immediately log you out and make your account inaccessible to anyone. So just go ahead and type your password. And after you've done that, just go ahead and click on the disable account option here. So that's how you do it. That is how you disable your Discord account using your computer. So I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.